What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we're gonna go over the past 3 days that we traded. Alright, I think we're down significantly, but we blundered a lot as well. Okay, so we'll go over today first. We got the swing high first entry. Overall trend here just up. As you can see, highs are scattered. Just go for a sell, non-obvious sell, great trade. Could have run that all the way down if we had a runner. We got the swing low, first entry, second entry. This one's an easy read. You have lows that are really being tested here, but that's just going to be used as evidence. We're not going to actually use that as low, and it corrected a lot of this move already, so that's going to be overall trend up. Easy read. Go for the sell there. And that's 20% for sure. I think it comes up just a little and shoots on down. And if you weren't convinced there as overall uptrend, you could probably go for a non-obvious sell here. I think you would have gotten right there. Swing high first entry, you could probably take that one right there. Alright, now we got the swing high first entry, second entry. Overall trend is just down. Didn't reach these lows. Go for that buy. Good trade. Here's another easy read that we kind of messed up. The swing low first entry, overall trend is going to be up because here's the move that you have here. You have those highs and they corrected the entire move already. And you don't want to treat this as a downtrend because it's in these highs already. People are going to start to treat this as a downtrend already, and it's in that level of resistance. So you want to treat this as an overall uptrend because that's what it is. Even though it's just two legs, it corrected that entire move. Always think about that first, that it corrected the entire move first, and go for that sell. And we got this okay, looks like we took a position here on a swing high first entry, second entry. This one is definitely a 20%er because as you can see, it comes to our stop then skyrockets. Well, sort of skyrockets, but yeah, we would have got the scalp there if we didn't get stopped out to the tick. I'm gonna go ahead and say that was 20%er because we were right. I think that was a good read, declaring those lows as insignificant because they're very scattered. Now we got the swing low first entry. Overall trend looks to be down. I think we were supposed to go for a non-obvious buy here, but of course that doesn't work out. How can we even take this trade? I think because it went upstairs. Yeah, so swing low first entry, second entry. Good thing we didn't take it. Actually, it could be overall a trend up due to the fact you have a little bit of low here and a big correction here. I would have gone for non-obvious buy here for sure. So maybe you can figure out something here, maybe a trend line, something like this, kind of ugly looking. It's tough to go for the sell there, unless this was actually supposed to be a continuation, not non-obvious buy, so you would not get in the trade there. So meaning this was actually significant lows, and in which it very could be, much could be because you have a low here, and within the next 2 points you have the next low here, and being tested there again. So it could be a pretty significant low. By the looks of it, it probably is actually. So that would be a non-obvious sell, and then this would be a oh, actually it would be the low of the day though, so continuing it is not something you want to do necessarily. Alright, well, that one got stopped out either way. Looks like we got this swing high first entry, second entry. It looks like it could be overall trend down. I might have drawn this, but you do have that huge push there, bigger than these moves, so overall trend is just down. Go for a buy, it looks like. I think we get into this next trade though, on the swing low first entry, second entry. I think we trade as an overall uptrend. Should have gone for the sell right there for sure though. Looks like it was tested 3 times, but kind of inconsistent. That low is on a downtrend here, so that's already insignificant. And you pushed on higher here above that high, so overall trend is just up. Go for that sell. Great two-legged move here, and I think we take a position right here. So we treated that as our candle bar. And we did this at first, but as you can see, that spike is just so massive. It's not supposed to be like that. You should not draw until you have nice equal moves, and this is not a great channel. It's just a level of resistance there. So overall trends up, just go for that easy sell. Then now at this point, now you have a low that's kind of being tested. So you just hit that high, came off of there, two-legged move. You want to go for a buy here, and that would have been your buy. Of course, we went for a sell, thinking this trend line wasn't non-existent, and yeah, it skyrockets there. Then this one is one that I genuinely got confused on, but it looks to be a 20%er. I was like beating myself over the head for this trade. I'm like, how did we get stopped out here? It's just an overall trend up, but as you can see, it's a 20%er. Because we got stepped out just by a couple ticks, and that's something I should have done. Is when you go against the market, we should leave our stop there instead of putting it there. But then again, there's a chance it just keeps on pushing there. It does like to create that new high. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 ticks. Maybe we'll just take the full loss on those guys. Maybe not, because I was worried I was just gonna keep pushing up there. There's no way of knowing actually. So yeah, maybe we might start leaving the high there, but that was minimization. That's the price we paid for that minimization. And yeah, I don't feel like doing the rest of the day, so I'm just gonna scroll. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna show the trades. Whatever you want to do, guess what it's gonna be, then you can do so. Might just do playbacks of these later. Peace.